The truth about Toby the rabbit. In the peaceful village of Meadowbrook, a little rabbit named Toby was known for his long ears and quick paws. But he had one little habit that often got him into trouble. He sometimes told small fibs. One sunny morning, Toby was hopping through the fields when he spotted a golden carrot glimmering under the sun. It was the biggest, juiciest carrot he had ever seen. Excited, Toby grabbed it and rushed to show his friends. "This carrot," Toby said proudly, "was given to me by the great Carrot King himself." The animals gasped. What an incredible story! Toby's friends clapped their paws and admired the carrot. But one clever squirrel, Pip, tilted his head and asked, "Are you sure, Toby? The great Carrot King only gives carrots on Carrot Day." Toby felt a twinge in his heart. He didn't want to admit that he had simply found it in the field. So instead, he grinned and said, "Of course. He made an exception for me because I'm his special rabbit friend." Word spread across the village. The animals were amazed, and some even asked Toby for advice on how to meet the great Carrot King themselves. But soon, trouble arrived. A wise old tortoise named Grandfather Tuck came slowly down the path. "Toby," he said, "if you met the great Carrot King, then surely you can tell us what he looks like." Toby's ears drooped. He tried to think, but he had never seen a Carrot King. His heart pounded. He's very tall. And shiny. And, But the animals could see the truth. "Toby, did you really meet the great Carrot King?" asked Pip gently. Toby shuffled his paws. "No," he admitted. "I just found the carrot in the field." The animals sighed, disappointed. "Toby, we like you just the way you are," Pip said. "You don't need to make up stories for us to think you're special." Toby's heart warmed. He realized that honesty was more important than impressing others with made-up tales. From that day forward, Toby promised to always tell the truth. And even though he never met the great Carrot King, he became famous for something far more important, his honesty. Lessons from Toby's story. Honesty builds trust and respect. You don't need to exaggerate to be valued. Truth always comes out, so it's best to be honest from the start. And so, in Meadowbrook, Toby became the rabbit that everyone could believe in.